So, from a comfortable seated position, take a few exaggerated deep inhales through the nose and out through the mouth. Picture yourself showing up at a gym. When you get to a gym, you don't just run straight into heavy lifting. You want to warm the body up a little bit with some exaggerated deep breaths. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. And really exaggerate and feel where that breath affects the body. Do your shoulders rise? Is your stomach expanding? Where do you feel the breath in your body? These warm-up breaths. So take a few bigger inhales and exhales. And if you haven't already, close your eyes on the next exhale as you drift deeper to a state of relaxation. Bring some awareness to the sensation of the back against the backrest, feet on the ground, chair on the seat. These are all things that you're feeling right now in the moment that we tend to forget. So bring some awareness back to the body, some of the sensations of the body as you focus again on the inhale through the nose and the exhale through the mouth. Now at the beginning of your meditation practice, your mind is usually very busy. So let's approach this with as little judgment as we can. If we find our attention wandering, then observe that, don't judge it, and just realize, I have a busy mind right now. And then bring the attention back to the sensation of the breath as you inhale through the nose and you exhale through the mouth. And every exhale, I really want you to focus on the sensation of relaxation as you drift deeper. Inhale, exhale, feeling the body soften when you exhale. And if your mind begins to wander, it's totally okay. Just bringing the attention back to the breath, back to the sensation, the breath entering the nostrils and exiting the mouth. As you relax, this is your time right now. This is your moment of stillness today. You have nowhere to go, no one to be, nothing to do. Just breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, as you feel the body soften, letting go of any tension, letting today wash away as you inhale and exhale. And notice if your thoughts begin to wander, and bring the attention back again to the sensation of the breath as you inhale and you exhale. Now we always have breath with us everywhere we go, but breaths are all the same. We feel the same about every breath, even though every breath is different. So I want you to bring some curiosity to the breath. What's the temperature of the breath as you inhale through the nose? Now what's the temperature when you exhale through the mouth? How long do you inhale? How long do you exhale? When you inhale, where in your body do you feel that? Are your shoulders rising when you inhale? When you exhale, is your stomach contracting? Bring curiosity to the breath. As you inhale through the nose and you exhale through the mouth. And now I invite you to our first body scan of the session. So, starting at the top of the head and scanning down, just pay attention to any tension that we feel. So a big inhale, and we scan down from the top of the head, the temples, back of the head, the jaw. We hold a lot of tension in the jaw, so release tension in your jaw if you feel any. Scanning down to the neck, the shoulders, the chest, the lower back, the stomach, your hips, and just observing without judgment. Is there tension? Do I feel loose? as we scan into our thighs, knees, our shin, ankles, our feet, our toes, and then back up, back into our calves, our knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, into the arms, the bicep, the elbow, the wrist, the hand, the fingers, and just paying attention. Just pull the attention back into your forearms, your elbows, your biceps, your shoulders, and up to your head again. Taking an inhale through the nose and an exhale. As you continue to focus your attention on the sensation of that breath. As you breathe deep, you might notice that your mind's a little more relaxed now. But if it's still busy, that's fine. We're training our brain here to focus on the breath. So when we catch ourselves in thought, it's normal. Just bringing the attention back to the brain. Just bringing the attention back to the sensation of the breath. As we inhale through the nose and exhale, letting go of any tension you're holding. This time is for you. Nowhere to go, no one to be, nothing to do. Just be as you breathe deeper and exhale. And if the mind begins to wander, totally normal. Just bring that attention back to the sensation of the breath as you inhale and you exhale. Just letting go of anything you're holding, anything that's been on your mind. Right now, all you need to do is breathe. Inhale and exhale, relaxing, drifting deeper. Paying attention to where you feel the breath in the body. What do you feel right now? Are your shoulders rising? Is your stomach expanding? As we drift deeper into a state of relaxation. And if your mind wanders, bring that attention back to the sensation of the breath as you inhale through the nose and you exhale. Paying attention to the thoughts, pulling the attention back if they wander. As you inhale and as you exhale. Now, as we near the end of this meditation, I invite you to join me on this gratitude exercise. So taking a few more inhales and exhales as you listen to my words, I invite you to give yourself a moment of gratitude first. Thank yourself for showing up today, taking some time to buckle down and harness some mindfulness, not just for you, but for everyone around you and everyone around them. So thank yourself, give yourself some love as you inhale and exhale. And then I invite you to take a second and think about all the things in your life that you're grateful for. Your job, your friends, your family, your car. It can be material, We are so lucky for the lives we live. We come from so much abundance, and it's important to remember just how lucky we are. So as you inhale and exhale, just gently remind yourself about all the things that you're so grateful for in your life. All the people. And then slowly, the next inhale, I'm going to do a little bit of compassion work here and send some love out to the world. So the next inhale, imagine your chest filling up the warm glowing orb. When you exhale, you push that orb out. Let that orb grow. Fill your whole body now. And you inhale, exhale, fill that whole room with that orb, that warmth, that love, that compassion. Compassion, love, they're infinite. The more you have access to, the more there is in your life. So pushing that love out as far as you can to your whole city. And you inhale, exhale, pushing that out to the whole country, to the whole world. Just feeling and feeling that love and compassion. Take a few more inhales, exhales, and then send all that love to the people in your life. Your friends, your family, even people that you might not feel that connected to or you might not get along with. Chances are they probably need that love too. So sending that love out to as many people as you can. As you inhale and exhale compassion. And as we near the end of this meditation, I invite you to ask the universe for anything that you're working towards, for anything you'd like. It's a promotion, new car, whatever it is. Put it out there in the universe. Please, universe, help me with, help. Manifest that. We're much more powerful than we realize. If you're ready to finish, you can gently wiggle the toes and the fingers. Slowly open the eyes when you're ready, but don't move too much yet. You can scan the room, and it's important to remember that you have this ability to connect with the breath throughout the day. You can come back to this. It's always there. So, throughout the day, I challenge you, come back to the breath. Come back to this feeling of expansiveness and openness and love and compassion. It's always there. We just have to feel it. Thank you for showing up. Namaste.